Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning Made Easy. In this video I am going to take the chapter Everest Meri Shikhar Yatra, which is a chapter for grade 9 following CBSE syllabus. Now this chapter is written by Bachendri Pal. It is an autobiography of herself. She was the first woman who had climbed the Mount Everest, and this entire story is about her experience of climbing the mountain. And the story is a bit difficult to understand, but I'll make it easy for you, and I've just taken a summary portion of this chapter. I'll be explaining it in English. So let's begin the chapter. Everest Meri Shikhar Yatra. So this story, as I said, it is written by Bachendri Pal herself. Okay, so let's begin. बचेंद्र पाल अपनी एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई के सफर की बात करते हुए कहती हैं कि एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ाई करने वाला दल 7 मार्च को दिल्ली से हवाई जहाज से काठमांडू के लिए चल पड़ा था. So on 7th March, here Bachendri Pal is saying that dal means a group, okay, a group of people. A group of people who were ready to go for mountaineering on Mount Everest. So they had started their travel from Delhi to Kathmandu. Okay, they had started their travel. उस दल से पहले ही एक मजबूत दल बहुत पहले एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई के लिए चला गया था, जिससे कि वह बचेंद्र पाल वाले दल के बेस कैंप पहुंचने से पहले बर्फ के गिरने के कारण बने कठिन रास्ते को साफ कर सके. So before dal, matlab, as I said, it's a group. Before the group of Bachendri Pal, another group had already gone to this base camp. The base camp is the base of this Mount Everest. While climbing a mountain, always there will be camps in between, so that they can take rest over there, they can sleep, they can have food while climbing. Of course, it takes days to climb and reach a big mountain, right? So the base camp is a camp at the base of the mountain. So to reach over there, Bachendri Pal, the team of Bachendri Pal had gone next. Before that, there was another team, another dal that had gone. And why did they go? So that they could clean. पहले बर्फ के गिरने के कारण बने कठिन रास्ते. Due to the fall of all kind of snow, snow, the path had become difficult for them to climb. So before they come, a group of members had gone there to clean them, so that it is easy for this group of Bachendri Pal to climb the mountain. बचेंद्री पाल कहती हैं कि नमचे बाजार शेरपा लैंड का एक सर्वाधिक महत्वपूर्ण नगरीय क्षेत्र है. Now here these are different places. You will get to know the names of different places over here. And Namcha Bazar is a similar place. This is the place from where Bachendri Pal is looking at Mount Everest for the first time. Okay, in live she could see from there. Sherpa land, again it is a place. Okay. This actually I can tell you this is at the borders of Nepal, Tibet, etc. Okay, that is the area. यहीं से बचेंद्र पाल ने सर्वप्रथम एवरेस्ट को देखा था. As I said, for the first time, बचेंद्र पाल had seen Everest from here, नमचा बाजार. बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि लोगों के द्वारा बचेंद्र पाल को बताया गया कि शिखर पर जाने वाले प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को दक्षिण पूर्वी पहाड़ी पर तूफानों को झेलना पड़ता है, विशेषकर जब मौसम खराब होता है. So before going, of course, you get to know many instructions. So one such instruction was that there, especially when the mौसम is खराब, when the climate is bad, there will be a wind, okay, that comes from a particular direction, which you have to bear. The climbers, the person who are going for mountaineering has to bear the wind. Okay, so they are telling you, means they are trying to prepare the team of Bachendri Pal before reaching there. जब उनका दल 26 मार्च को पेरिस पहुंचा तो उन्हें हमें बर्फ के खिसकने के कारण हुई एक शेरपा कुली की मृत्यु का दुख भरा समाचार मिला. Now Sherpa is actually the people who have the skill of mountaineering, and they are the people who stay at the borders of Nepal and Tibet. They are the people who have the skill of climbing mountains. So on 26th March, they are saying that before they had reached the particular place, Bachendri-Pal's team had reached the particular place, they got a news that a person has died now. Okay, because of the falling of the snow. The snow had Khisakna, means it had gone away from that particular place, and a person had died over there. 16 शेरपा कुलियों के दल में से एक की मृत्यु हो गई. 16 शेरपा. There was a team of 16 शेरपास, the people who go for mountaineering, and from that one person has died. इस समाचार के कारण बचेंद्री पाल के अभियान दल के सदस्यों में के चेहरे पर छाई उदासी को देखकर उनके दल के नेता कर्नल खुल्लर ने सभी सदस्यों को साफ साफ कह दिया कि एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ाई करना कोई आसान काम नहीं है. So when the team members of Bachendri Pal heard this news, they became very sad, they became depressed, and seeing that sadness on their face, their neta, their leader, Colonel Khullar, it's the name of the leader of Bachendri Pal's team. So he saw that sadness on the face of the team members, and he said that, I'll tell you one thing, climbing a Mount Everest is not something very easy. Okay, आसान काम नहीं है. Let's see what happens next. I'm sorry, there's a problem. Okay. आसान काम नहीं है. वहां पर जाना मौत के मुंह में कदम रखने के बराबर है. So going over there is similar to entering the mouth of death. Okay, you will be on death pit. Means you have to be prepared. That is why the Colonel Khullar is trying to make them, ready to be prepared for any kind of condition they have to face. बचेंद्री पाल कहती हैं कि उपनेता प्रेमचंद जो पहले वाले दल का नेतृत्व कर रहे थे, वे भी 26 मार्च को पेरिस लौट आए. So the उपनेता, that is their leader who was before Khullar, it is Premchand. So as I said, there was a team who went before Bachendri Pal for cleaning over there. So this Premchand was with him. So he also had gone, नेतृत्व कर रहे थे. He was also there to lead them. वे भी 26 मार्च को पेरिस लौट आए. He also came back to Paris. Paris is a place now where they're going. Okay, 26 March they are in Paris to go for mountaineering. उन्होंने बचेंद्री पाल के दल की पहली बड़ी समस्या बचेंद्री पाल और उनके साथियों को खुम्बू हिमपात की स्थिति के बारे में बताया. So first what he did was he said about the situation, what is actually the situation at the Himpat, that is at the mountain, what is the current situation over there. He gave a brief idea about that. Who gave? प्रेमचंद. उन्होंने बचेंद्री पाल और उनके साथियों को यह भी बताया कि पुल बनाकर, पुल मतलब ब्रिज, रस्सियां बांधकर, with the rope they were making bridges, तथा झंडियों से रास्ते को चिन्हित कर. झंडी means the flags are kept, I don't know if you all know about this, on mountains, very big mountains actually, there'll be different small flags kept in order to mark the particular places on the mountain. Okay, so similarly with that jhandiya, with that flags, they had made a rasta. They started digging, chinnit karna, they marked certain places, and they have made bridges with ropes. So Premchand is giving a brief idea of what they have done, what the earlier team had gone there and made, so that it becomes easy for Bachendri Pal's team to climb. सभी बड़ी कठिनाइयों का जायजा ले लिया गया है. He also said that we have analyzed the entire difficulties that you are going to face and we have fixed the problem. उन्होंने बचेंद्री पाल और उनके साथियों का ध्यान इस पर भी दिलाया कि ग्लेशियर बर्फ की नदी है और बर्फ का गिरना अभी जारी है. So now what happens, Premchand has also said that glacier is even now continuing. Glacier means falling of snow. Okay, and there is a barf ka girna. Due to the falling of snow, there is a nadi. Falling of snow has created a river over there. So still now the barf is keeping on falling. That means even though they have cleaned, the situation is not that easier for them. जिसके कारण अभी तक के लिए गए सभी काम व्यर्थ हो सकते हैं और उन लोगों को रास्ता खोलने का काम दोबारा करना पड़ सकता है. So here Premchand is saying that though we have made the place clean and all, again since snow is keeping on falling, the place must be in its former situation again. We have to go and clean again maybe. Okay? बचेंद्री पाल कहती हैं कि बेस कैंप में पहुंचने से पहले उन्हें और उनके साथियों को एक और मृत्यु की खबर मिली. Now, बचेंद्री पाल had not reached the base camp. Before that itself, one more news about one more person being death of one more person has been received by बचेंद्री पाल's team. जलवायु के सही ना होने के कारण एक रसोई सहायक की मृत्यु हो गई थी. So since there was no proper oxygen available, no proper water available, जल and वायु, air and water, रसोई सहायक, a person who helps in kitchen for food items. Of course, when you have to climb, it takes days. You need food items. So the person who helps for these things has passed away. निश्चित रूप से अब बचेंद्री पाल और उनके साथी आशा उत्पन्न करने स्थिति में नहीं चल रहे थे. So now they were very depressed. They were not in that enthusiastic situation that they were earlier. Okay, now since they have got so much news, so much bad news, they are a bit depressed. सभी घबराए हुए थे. They were all scared. बेस कैंप पहुंचाने पर दूसरे दिन बचेंद्री पाल ने एवरेस्ट पर्वत तथा इसके अन्य श्रेणियों को देखा. So now as she reached Mount Everest, she could see the different areas of Mount Everest. She could see it more closely. बचेंद्री पाल हैरान होकर खड़ी रह गई. When she saw Mount Everest so closely, she became हैरान. She became shocked and surprised. बचेंद्री पाल कहती हैं कि दूसरे दिन नए आने वाले अपने ज्यादातर सामान को वे हिमपात के आधे रास्ते तक ले गए. So in order to take all the things they carry, it is difficult for them to carry in a single day to the place. It's very difficult. It takes a lot of time to take all the things and carry and go to a particular place and then come back again, take the next things. So this is what happens in the next day. Dr. Meenu Mehta, now this is another person, ने बचेंद्री पाल और उनके साथियों को एल्यूमिनियम की सीढ़ियों से अस्थाई पुलों का बनाना, लट्टों और रस्सियों का उपयोग. So now there is another person, Dr. Meenu, who is again giving direction to Bachendri Pal's team that you will have to use aluminium's सीढ़ी, मतलब ladder, and you have to make pull, you have to make bridges, and you have to use रस्सी, you have to use rope. बर्फ की आड़ी तिरछी दीवारों पर रस्सियों को बांधना. You have to on the snows, आड़ी तिरछी दीवार मतलब zigzag walls of snow. You have to make a bridges using रस्सी, using rope. और उनके पहले दल के तकनीकी कार्यों के बारे में उन्हें विस्तार से सारी जानकारी दी. And also all the technical facilities that will be provided to this team was also discussed. बचेंद्री पाल कहती हैं कि उनका तीसरा दिन हिमपात से कैंप 1 तक सामान ढोकर चढ़ाई का अभ्यास करने के लिए पहले से ही निश्चित था. So on third day was they planned that we are going to take the entire things and finish keeping things over there on the third day. रीता गोम्बू, this is another person, तथा बचेंद्री पाल साथ साथ चढ़ रहे थे. So रीता गोम्बू is a person who was climbing the mountain along with Bachendri Pal. Means they were on the same pace. Now see, what you have to do, one thing is you please note down the different names. There are different entries coming, in between the chapter. So you shouldn't be confused. उनके पास एक वॉकी टॉकी था जिससे वे अपने हर कदम की जानकारी बेस कैंप पर दे रहे थे. So when they were climbing, they were ahead, Bachendri Pal and Rita Gombu. They had a walkie talkie with the people who were at the base camp and they kept having conversation with them. Okay? I hope till this much it was clear. I know this chapter is a bit boring for students today and also it takes a little time, but actually this journey was very difficult for Bachendri Pal. You have to understand her situation and it has been beautifully actually described also. So कर्नल खुल्लर उस समय खुश हुए जब रीता गोम्बू तथा बचेंद्र पाल ने उन्हें अपने पहुंचने की सूचना दी क्योंकि कैंप 1 पर पहुंचने वाली केवल वे 2 ही महिलाएं थी. So now Colonel Khuller, their leader, was very happy that they both have reached Camp 1. Okay, from base camp they have reached Camp 1 and Khuller was very happy because they were the 2 women who reached first. जब अप्रैल में बचेंद्री पाल कैंप बेस में थी, तेंजिंग अपनी सबसे छोटी सुपुत्री डेकी के साथ उनके पास आए. Now this is another entry, तेंजिंग. Okay, now on April when Bachendri Pal was on the base camp, okay, she had met Tenjing who had her daughter with her. Her name was Deki. उन्होंने इस बात पर विशेष महत्व दिया कि दल के प्रत्येक सदस्य और प्रत्येक शेरपा कुली से बातचीत की जाए. बचेंद्री पाल कहती हैं कि जब उनकी बारी आई तो उन्होंने अपना परिचय ये कहकर दिया कि वे इस चढ़ाई के लिए बिल्कुल ही नहीं सीखने वाली और एवरेस्ट उनका पहला अभियान है. सो नाउ दिस lady with whom she was talking, she said that I want to meet the entire members who are going to climb Mount Everest. So when she met Bachendri Pal introduced herself that she is a very, she has a passion for climbing this mountain and it is her first time. Okay, and what did Tenjin say? Tenjin हंसे और बचेंद्री पाल से कहा कि एवरेस्ट उनके लिए भी पहला अभियान है. So at that time Tenjin said that even for Tenjin, I mean this having to guide people climbing Mount Everest is first time for her also. लेकिन ये भी स्पष्ट किया कि शिखर पर पहुंचने से पहले उन्हें 7 बार एवरेस्ट पर जाना पड़ा था. So now this lady is saying that she had to go 7 times in order to learn about Mount Everest and how to climb and all those things, you know. She tried 7 times, but see, she couldn't. बचेंद्री पाल is the first person who climbed it. फिर अपना हाथ बचेंद्री पाल के कंधे पर रखते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि बचेंद्री पाल एक पक्की पर्वतीय लड़की लगती है. Then she kept her hand on कंधे पर, on the shoulders of बचेंद्री पाल and said that I think you are a very ambitious girl to, you know, climb Mount Everest. उसे तो शिखर पर पहले ही प्रयास में पहुंच जाना चाहिए. बचेंद्री पाल कहती हैं कि 15 to 16 में 1984 को बुद्ध पूर्णिमा के दिन वह लोत्से की बर्फीली सीधी ढलान पर लगाए गए सुंदर रंगीन नायलॉन के बने तंबू के कैंप 3 में थी. सो नाउ बचेंद्री पाल कहती हैं कि 15 to 16 में, ओके, ऑन 1984 शी वाज ऑन द कैंप 3. Okay, nylon के बनाए, it is all about the cloth of tent. We don't have to go in that detail. Okay, I just want to tell you the story, and I want to keep my video short. Okay, let's see. वह गहरी नींद में सोई हुई थी कि रात में. So now when she's in camp 3, okay, she was sleeping and it was a time of night 12:30. लगभग उन्हें सिर के पिछले हिस्से में किसी एक सख्त चीज के टकराने से उनकी नींद अचानक खुल गई और साथ ही एक जोरदार धमाका भी हुआ. So at 12:30, a very strong some item had fell on her head, and there was a dhamaka. Means there was, you know what to say, when some accident happens, you know that you know, a shake happens in the entire area. So something like that. She was in sleep, okay, and that is the time when this happens. Let's see what was that. एक लंबा बर्फ का पिंड उनके कैंप के ठीक ऊपर लोत्से ग्लेशियर से टूटकर नीचे आ गिरा था और उसका एक बहुत बड़ा बर्फ का टुकड़ा बन गया था. सो नाउ फ्रॉम ग्लेशियर, दैट इज एज आई टोल्ड यू, अ फ्लो ऑफ स्नो टेक्स प्लेस. सो देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ स्नो कमिंग एंड अ बिग बॉल ऑफ स्नो वाज फॉर्म्ड एंड इट हैड हिट देयर कैंप. लोब्सांग अपनी स्विस छुरी की मदद से बचेंद्री पाल और उनके साथियों के तंबू का रास्ता साफ करने में सफल हो गए थे. लोब्सांग is a person who had succeeded in cleaning the place around the tent. Tambu, as I said, is a tent. So the tent was covered with snow and Lobsang helped in cleaning it. उन्होंने बचेंद्री पाल को चारों तरफ की कड़ी जमी बर्फ की खुदाई की और बचेंद्री पाल को उस बर्फ की कब्र से निकालकर बाहर खींच लाने में सफल हुए. कब्र actually means place where you bury dead bodies, but here actually it means using kabr they are trying to show you that the entire tent was inside the snow. Okay, so they cleaned and they brought, खींचना मतलब they had pulled बचेंद्री पाल out of this mess. बचेंद्री पाल कहती हैं कि अगली सुबह तक सारे सुरक्षा दल आ गए थे और 16 मई को प्रातः 8 बजे तक वे सभी कैंप 2 पर पहुंच गए थे. So Bachendra Pal is saying that all the cleaning and all the facility was made by the next morning, 16th May, Prataha, morning 8 o'clock. And all the other people, now Bachendra Pal is on camp 3, but all the other people, you know, who were following her team members, they had reached camp 2. बचेंद्र पाल और उनके दल के नेता कर्नल खुल्लर ने पिछली रात को हुए हादसे को उनके शब्दों में कुछ इस तरह कहा कि ये इतनी ऊंचाई पर सुरक्षा कार्य का एक अत्यंत साहस से भरा कार्य था. बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि सभी 9 पुरुष सदस्यों को जिन्हें चोटें आई थी और हड्डियां टूटी थी उन्हें बेस कैंप में भेजना पड़ा. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, Colonel Khuller is telling about the hadsa, the incident that took place the last night, that is that snow's thing. So there were 8 members, you know, due to the falling of snow, there was another 8 members who had been injured. Haddiya tuti, their bones were broken and they had to be brought back to base camp. Means they had all reached base camp 2, now they had to come back to base camp. तभी कर्नल खुल्लर बचेंद्री पाल की तरफ मुड़े और कहने लगे कि क्या वह डरी हुई है. इसके उत्तर में बचेंद्री पाल ने हाँ में उत्तर दिया. कर्नल खुल्लर ने फिर से पूछने पर कह दिया कि क्या वह वापस जाना चाहती है. इस बार बचेंद्र पाल ने बिना किसी हिचकिचाहट के उत्तर दिया कि वह वापस जाना नहीं चाहती. सो नाउ when Bachendri Pal had come back to help people, so from there Colonel Khuller is asking that, are you scared? She said yes. Then again he asked, do you want to go back? But at that time she hesitated a little, हिचकिचाहट, she hesitated, but she said no, I don't want to go back. Bachendri Pal कहती हैं कि दोपहर बाद उन्होंने अपने दल के दूसरे सदस्यों की मदद करने और अपने एक थर्मस को जूस से और दूसरे को गर्म चाय से भरने के लिए नीचे जाने का निश्चय किया. So Now she had decided, as I said, she thought that I'm going to go back to the previous camp, not forward, backward, so that I can help them. And also she thought she'll take a thermos, like a flask, okay, with filled with juice, and another one with garam chai, hot tea. Okay, these are all required when you go for mountaineering. If you have any plans, I just inform you. Okay. उन्होंने बर्फीली हवा में ही तंबू से बाहर कदम रखा. Now, in order to go back, she kept her kadam, her foot out of barfili. It was very cold at that time. She kept her, foot outside the tambu, the tent. बचेंद्र को जय जेनेवा स्पर की चोटी के ठीक नीचे मिला. So she got जय जेनेवा स्पर की चोटी के, it is a peak, okay, over there she met her. उसने बचेंद्र पाल के द्वारा, this is another person, okay, जय जेनेवा. उसने बचेंद्र पाल के द्वारा लाई गई चाय वगैरह पी, लेकिन बचेंद्र पाल को और आगे जाने से रोकने की कोशिश भी की. So this Jai Geneva, she said she drank the tea which Bachendra Pal brought, but she tried to stop Bachendra Pal from going forward. Why? Because as I said, it is very difficult to climb that mountain, so maybe she wanted to save her. मगर Bachendra Pal को की से भी मिलना था. So she wanted to meet Ki. Ki is another person, okay. थोड़ा सा और आगे नीचे उतरने पर उन्होंने की को देखा. So she returned a little backward and she saw Ki over there. की बचेंद्र पाल को देखकर चौंक गया और उसने बचेंद्र पाल से कहा कि उसने इतना बड़ा जोखिम क्यों उठाया. So when Ki saw बचेंद्र पाल, I don't know if it is he or she actually. So that person said that why are you taking so much difficulty? जोखिम इतना मतलब why are you taking so much risk and difficulty in climbing this mountain? बचेंद्र पाल ने भी उसे दृढ़ता पूर्वक कहा कि वह भी औरों की तरह एक पर्वतारोही है, इसीलिए वह इस दल में आई हुई है. So she said that see, I am also any other person who climbs a mountain. I also want to climb. So this shows how ambitious बचेंद्र पाल was. बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि साउथ कोल पृथ्वी पर बहुत अधिक कठोर जगह के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है. This is a place, okay. बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि अगले दिन वह सुबह 4 बजे उठी. Next morning she woke up at morning 4. उसने बर्फ को पिघलाया और चाय बनाई, कुछ बिस्कुट और आधी चॉकलेट को. Okay, this is all not necessary actually. She ate some breakfast and all. Okay. And करने के बाद वह लगभग 5:30, almost 5:30 she came outside of the tambu, her tent. बचेंद्र पाल कहती है कि सुबह 6:20 पर जब अंगदोरजी और वह साउथ कोल से बाहर निकले तो दिन ऊपर चढ़ाया था. So when she came out, it was already morning. हल्की हल्की हवा चल रही थी, breeze was going on, लेकिन ठंड भी बहुत अधिक थी, but it was very cold. बचेंद्र पाल और उनके साथियों ने बगैर रस्सी से ही चढ़ाई की. Without rope itself they started climbing. अंगदोरजी एक निश्चित गति से ऊपर चढ़ते हुए गए और बचेंद्र पाल को भी उनके साथ चलने में कोई कठिनाई थी. So along with Angdorji is a person with whom she was climbing. बचेंद्र पाल कहती है कि जमे हुए बर्फ की सीधी व ढलाव चट्टानें इतनी सख्त और भुरभुरी थी, ऐसा लगता था मानो शीशों की चादरें बिछी हो. So बचेंद्र पाल is saying that the barf, the snow on which they were climbing was so much very sakht, very hard and bhurburi, like when शीशे मतलब when a mirror breaks, it's very sharp. So the barf was like that. When it is extreme cold, barf becomes very something very pokey actually. It starts poking on your leg, on your feet. So that was the condition at that time. उन सभी को बर्फ काटने के फावड़े का इस्तेमाल करना. फावड़ा मीन्स एक्स, ओके. और बचेंद्र पाल कहते हैं कि उन्हें इतनी सख्त से फावड़ा चलाना पड़ा जिससे कि उस जमे हुए बर्फ की धरती को फावड़े के दांते काट सके. So they had to use axe to clean away that barf, all the snow, so that they could climb easily, and they had to use this favada, this axe very strongly and very hardly, because as I said the land was very hard. बचेंद्र पाल कहते हैं कि उन्होंने उन खतरनाक स्थलों पर हर कदम अच्छी तरह सोच समझकर उठाया, क्योंकि वहां एक छोटी सी भी गलती मौत का कारण बन सकती. So even a small mistake, even if they slipped a little bit, they would die. That was the condition at that time. So बचेंद्र पाल was very careful about it. बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि 2 घंटे से भी कम समय में ही वह सभी शिखर कैंप पर पहुंच गए. So within less than 2 hours they reached all शिखर कैंप. That is a camp that was a little bit high. अराउंड द माउंटेन। अंगदोरजी ने पीछे मुड़कर देखा और उन्होंने कहा कि पहले वाले दल ने शिखर कैंप पर पहुंचने में 4 घंटे लगाए थे और यदि अब उनका दल इसी गति से चलता रहे तो वे शिखर पर दोपहर 1 बजे तक पहुंच जाएंगे। सो नाउ अंगदोरजी इज सेइंग दैट एक्चुअली द टीम हु हैड गॉन बिफोर अस दे टुक 4 hours to reach here, but we have come in 2.5 hours, so maybe we'll reach before that. And she's saying that we can reach by दोपहर, by afternoon 1 बजे, 1 o'clock we might reach there. लहाटू ने ध्यान दिया कि बचेंद्र पाल इन ऊंचाइयों के लिए सामान्यतः आवश्यक 4 लीटर ऑक्सीजन की अपेक्षा लगभग 2.5 लीटर ऑक्सीजन प्रति मिनट की दर से लेकर चल रही थी. So they started analyzing that actually they had taken 4 liter oxygen, but you know the oxygen was actually finishing fast. Okay, प्रति मिनट, within minutes it was actually finishing now. बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि जैसे ही उसने बचेंद्र पाल के रेगुलेटर पर ऑक्सीजन की आपूर्ति बढ़ाई, बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि उन्हें महसूस हुआ कि सीधी और कठिन चढ़ाई भी अब आसान लग रही थी. So they started increasing regulator a little so that they could climb easily and fast. That is what बचेंद्र पाल analyzed at that time. बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि दक्षिणी शिखर के ऊपर हवा की गति बढ़ गई थी. उस ऊंचाई पर तेज हवा के झोंके भुरभुरे बर्फ के कणों को चारों तरफ उड़ा रहे थे, जिससे दृश्यता शून्य तक आ गई थी. कुछ भी देख पाना संभव नहीं होगा. सो नाउ इट वाज वेरी कोल्ड and their vision was also diminishing, okay, because it was become very foggy. अनेक बार देखा कि केवल थोड़ी दूर के बाद कोई ऊंची चढ़ाई नहीं है. So when they started, it was very difficult to see actually, but when they looked carefully they could see that there was only little to climb now. दलान एकदम सीधा नीचे चला गया था. Now दलान means a slope, okay, slope, next is a slope is going to be very very steep. ये देखकर बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि उनकी तो सांस मानो रुक गई. लुकिंग एट दैट स्लोप एक्चुअली हर सांस, हर ब्रेथ शी फेल्ट एज इफ वाज गोइंग टू बी स्टक फॉर अ सेकंड. उन्हें विचार आया कि सफलता बहुत नजदीक है, बट शी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड दैट मीन्स इफ डाउन व्हेन शी लुक्स डाउन शी कैन सी सो मच स्लोप, मीन्स नाउ ओनली वेरी लिटिल लेफ्ट अबव हर. 23 मई 1984 के दिन दोपहर के 1:07 पर वह एवरेस्ट की चोटी पर खड़ी थी. सो as they had analyzed that they would reach at 1 o'clock, correct, 1 o'clock 7 minutes they were at the top of Everest. एवरेस्ट की चोटी पर पहुंचने वाली बचेंद्र पाल प्रथम भारतीय महिला थी. She was the first Indian woman who had climbed the Everest mountain. Okay, from India she was the first woman. बचेंद्र पाल कहती हैं कि Everest, so we had seen a woman, I don't remember her name, who had taken 7 times, okay, in total to reach the top of the Everest mountain. But see, Bachendri Pal had reached here within her first attempt, and that too from India. We must be proud. बचेंद्र पाल कहती है कि एवरेस्ट की चोटी की नोक पर इतनी जगह नहीं थी कि 2 व्यक्ति साथ साथ खड़े. सो एट द topmost peak of the Everest mountain there was no much place that even 2 person could stand together. चारों तरफ हजारों मीटर लंबी सीधी ढलान को देखते हुए उन सभी के सामने प्रश्न अब सुरक्षा का था. So now looking at all that snow that was actually surrounding them due to the cold wind and the falling of snow, the question was that they were very scared about their safety, सुरक्षा. उन्होंने पहले बर्फ के फावड़े से बर्फ की खुदाई कर अपने आप को सुरक्षित रूप से खड़ा रहने लायक जगह बनाई. So first what they did, using axe they cleaned that place so that they all could stand there properly, safely. खुशी के इस पल में बचेंद्र पाल को अपने माता पिता का ध्यान आया. So at this happiest moment, of course this was a very happy moment, from India a woman has climbed the Mount Everest, so she suddenly remembered her parents. बचेंद्र पाल कहती है कि जैसे वह उठी उन्होंने अपने हाथ जोड़े और वह अपने रज्जु नेता अंगदोरजी के प्रति आदर भाव से झुकी. So she first what she did, in front of her there was Angdorji. She took her both of the hands and she bowed before Angdorji, जिन्होंने बचेंद्र पाल को प्रोत्साहित किया और लक्ष्य तक पहुंचा. She was a person who motivated her to reach there. बचेंद्र पाल ने उन्हें बिना ऑक्सीजन के एवरेस्ट की दूसरी चढ़ाई चढ़ने पर बधाई भी दी. So she also said शाबाशी दी. She said that you are a very brave woman, because oxygen also had decreased, it was less, but still she reached there. उन्होंने बचेंद्र पाल को गले से लगाया और उनके कानों में फुसफुसाया कि दीदी तुमने अच्छी चढ़ाई की, बहुत प्रसन्न है. कर्नल खुल्लर उनकी सफलता से बहुत प्रसन्न थे. बचेंद्र पाल को बधाई देते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि बचेंद्र पाल की इस अलग प्राप्ति के लिए बचेंद्र पाल माता पिता को बधाई देने. वे बोले कि देश के बचेंद्र पाल देश को भी बहुत गर्व है जो उसके द्वारा अपने पीछे छोड़े हुए संसार के एकदम अलग हो. So he also said that even देश, the entire nation will be proud of you and you have made the name of the nation very proud. They all started giving her badhai. This is the end of the chapter and thank you for watching my video. Bye.